Next, a person walks 100 meters straight from his house, turns left and walks 100 meter again, turns left and walks 300 meter. Now see, what is the catch in this question? The catch is initial direction of travel is not given. So whenever you have such a question that initial direction is not given, assume any direction. Whatever you like, you can assume any direction. There will be certain hint that is given in the question from which we can deduce the final directions. So यहाँ पर then turns right and walks this many, reaches office. In which direction does he walk initially? So they are asking the initial direction only from his house if his office is exactly in the northeast direction. That means this is a hint given to us that the office is exactly in the northeast direction. जो office है वो उत्तर पूर्व दिशा में है, तो हमें इसको यूज करके ये बताना है कि उसकी प्रारंभिक दिशा क्या रही होगी. So here a person walks 100 meters straight from his house. Let's assume that he started walking in this direction. 100 meters straight from his house. Turns left, he turns left, left is this side, so, and walks 100 meter again, so again he will walk 100 meter. Turns left again and walks 300 meters, so this was 100, 300 will go somewhere here, so he walks 300 meter. Then turns right and walks 100 meters. So from here he turns right. If he is turning right, he will start walking here, and this is 100 meter. This is his office. This is his home. It is given that in which direction does he walk initially from his house if the office is exactly in the northeast direction. That means this office was supposed to be northeast direction. So if this is his home, then this office, the direction of his office was supposed to be, this direction was supposed to be northeast. So if this direction is northeast, they are asking us this direction, that which direction is this. So we are not following the usual direction cosines. Normally directions आपकी ये होती है west and east. Normally we have this directions, but abhi right now in this question we assumed any initial direction and we made the diagram, and then the final point is given to us that this particular direction of his office was supposed to be northeast, या उत्तर पूर्व में होना चाहिए ये ऑफिस. अगर ये उत्तर पूर्व में है तो ये कौन सी दिशा है ये निकालना है. So let's just rotate it according to us. कैसे rotate करूं? Let's say if this is northeast, so let's say this is northeast, we are supposed to find what are all these directions then if this particular direction is northeast. Can you find all other directions if this is northeast? How will I find this? If I rotate, if in original figure northeast is supposed to be like this, so if I rotate clockwise from northeast, I encounter east direction. So if I rotate clockwise from northeast, I should encounter east direction first. So this is supposed to be east. Then opposite to east should be west. If this is east, if I rotate, instead of going clockwise, if I rotate anti-clockwise, then this is supposed to be north. Or else you can directly say if this is east, this is north, because this is northeast. Northeast is between north and east, and this is east, so this is north. This is supposed to be south direction. Now can you see if this particular direction is northeast, if this direction is northeast, we are supposed to find what direction is this. This direction is south, so your answer is south here. So if the person starts walking in south direction, then only this particular direction will be northeast. आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. If you are making it in a copy, just rotate it like when this arrow should align with the northeast. So what you do? You will completely rotate it 180 degree. If you completely rotate it 180 degree, then only this arrow will be northeast. If you are rotating this arrow 180 degree, then this particular arrow will also be rotated by 180 degree. That means if this is north right now, then this becomes south. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Or else if you want to go by this, you can also think of it this way, that how will I get to this particular arrow? So from here to here, if I am rotating 135 degree, from north east to this arrow, I am rotating 135 degree clockwise, I'll reach that direction. So from here rotate 135 degree clockwise, you will reach south only. तो आप कोई भी मेथड से कर सकते हो, जो अच्छा लग रहा है आप उससे यू कैन सॉल्व. आई टोल्ड यू 3 मेथड्स यहीं पर कि ईदर यू कैन मेक दिस एंड कैलकुलेट, और यू कैन डायरेक्टली रोटेट इट लाइक दिस एंड मेक इट अलाइन विथ नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट. या फिर आप डायरेक्टली इस एरो को इतना घुमाओ कि ये इस एरो के बराबर आ जाए. तो ये कितना घुमाना पड़ेगा आपको, 135 डिग्रीज घुमाना है. तो जब जब नॉर्थ ईस्ट को 135 डिग्रीज घुमाया जाता है इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, तो साउथ डायरेक्शन मिलती है. आप किसी भी तरह से इसको सोच सकते हो इस प्रॉब्लम को, यू विल गेट द राइट आंसर. द आंसर इज साउथ हियर. चलिए विल डिस्कस